Hello, and today I'm going to show you my American Girl Dolls horse. I don't think it's made for American Girl Dolls because I did not get it at the American Girl Doll place. I got it for Christmas from Santa, and it was definitely not from the American Girl Doll place because I did not have an American Girl Doll when I got it. Whew. I got this horse 2 years ago, and I had one of those big American Girl Dolls, and then finally I got a real American Girl Doll. So I just wanted to show you this. So you see up here, there's little blue leg thingies. So the horse's name is Blue Jean, and there's real tail hair, and then this is what it looks like without someone on it. This is what it looks like in the front. It might be made from Our Generation dolls.